Today I'm gonna show you the new Futec spinner rotary laser that comes in this great all-in box. Let's open and see what's in it. So we're gonna see the grid judge, the measurement stick. We have the tripod with a 5/8 connection, of course, it's a rotary laser. Then we have the gyro detector with, of course, the detector holder, the charger. We got a remote control that you can work up to 30 meters. We have a tech card. We have the glasses to see the line better, a manual, and of course the unit itself. Let's talk about the unit. I will put it on a tripod and we'll go into detail. So I've mounted the spinner on the tripod. As you can see, you can also mount it on a wall with 2 screws or connect it on a tripod with a 5/8 connections. This bracket you can take off when you mount it on a wall, for example. The other side we have an instruction manual that tells you the x-axis, what kind of button and what kind of scan function you have. You have a scan function from 0 to 10, 45, 19 and 180 degrees. Then we have a speed of 0 to 120 and to 300, 600 RPMs. On the other side we have the safety manual and the charging plug, of course. And on the top of the unit we have the x-axis on this side, x-axis 2 and 1 on this side, y-axis 2 on the front and y-axis 1 on the back. We're gonna switch on, it was already on, so gonna switch on. The unit is gonna level itself, of course, first. When it's leveled, then you can start working on both axes, horizontal and vertically. I'm going to show you the buttons, what that does mean. Here we have a button that tells you it's a slope function, so you can work in slope in both axes. Here we have the tilt function. Tilt function is not going on by itself. You have to switch it on. So when you switch it on, the LED will flash, and when it burns, it always is in tilt mode. I'm going to switch it off right now. Then we have a scan mode function. A scan mode function that really works nice when you have windows that can really reflect the diode into the detector, or for example you're working indoor and you don't want to disturb any other people that are working behind the desk. Then you can use the scan mode. Then we have the speed. The speed is useful for indoor or outdoor. For example, outdoor you need a higher speed when you're working on a bigger range, and indoor you're gonna lower the speed so you can work on the visible line. Then we have the arrows that can work for the slope functions, do a slope, horizontal, vertical, and every arrow that you press is going up. So I press the front, that means this side will go up, of course, to the camera down. If I push this button, they will go up and this one will go down. It's the same as on the remote. Then we have the 2 other turn arrows. The turn arrows there are for the scan mode function. When you want to use the scan mode, you can position your point first. That's why you use these 2, and then you start the scan mode. A really nice feature from the scan mode is that you can work. Gonna switch it on. First of all, it's gonna switch. It stops rotating. I put it on, and now I can use these arrows here or on the remote to reposition my dot. I'm gonna place it on the back of the unit on the wall. Hopefully you can see it. No, in the outdoor we cannot see it so well. Yeah, it's here. I don't think so. You're gonna see it on the camera, but it's on this joint. Now I can switch on the scan mode for 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees. And a really nice thing on this one is that that will work as well on the detector. Usually no detector will work with this scan mode. Voila. Now we got it directly, and I have no detection on this side. So that's also a nice feature. Then you have no reflection from any glass with this spinner. Then with the spinner we have do a slope, what I said. How does it work? Actually I'm gonna switch on the scan mode off, sorry again. You can do it in the remote. Then you can switch on, do a slope. You can use them both. You can use dual slope and scan mode together as well. So I'm gonna do the slope function. You will see this LED will flash up, it will shine bright, and then you can use the arrows to going up. So right now I want to lift up this side and the dot will move going up. So that's really nice. It's now in one angle. If I want to have this angle, the x-axis up, it will go up as well on this side. That means my water flow will go that corner. So that's what I just did, dual slope on this unit. It's also possible when you're working vertically. Because vertically you can as well work with dual slope and using the scan modes together. For example, you want to line up from point A to B. You use the the vertical modes in slope, and with the scan mode you want to have a good visual line on the ceiling, for example. Then you use the scan mode. That's really nice that you can do with this unit. So if there are any questions, just drop it in the comments and let us know. Thank you.